Finding a cheap and reliable car in 2025 is easier than ever, with great options offering affordability, fuel efficiency, modern features, and long-term durability, making them perfect choices for budget-conscious buyers. Here are 7 top picks. Number 1. 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage. The 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage stands out as one of the most budget-friendly options in the subcompact car segment. With a starting price of $17,965, it appeals to cost-conscious consumers seeking basic transportation. The Mirage is powered by a modest 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering adequate performance for city commuting. Its compact dimensions make it exceptionally maneuverable in urban environments, and its impressive fuel economy, rated at 39 miles per gallon combined, ensures fewer stops at the pump. While the interior is straightforward, it includes essential features such as a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Safety features are basic but cover standard necessities. Overall, the Mirage offers a practical solution for those prioritizing affordability and efficiency in their daily drives. Number 2. 2025 Nissan Versa. The 2025 Nissan Versa offers a compelling blend of affordability, comfort, and modern features in the compact sedan category. Starting at $18,330, the Versa provides excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. It comes equipped with a fuel-efficient engine, delivering commendable mileage suitable for both city and highway driving. The interior is surprisingly spacious, offering ample legroom and a comfortable seating arrangement. Standard features include a user-friendly infotainment system with smartphone integration, enhancing the driving experience. Safety is a strong focus, with standard driver assistance technologies such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. The Versa's combination of low ownership costs, reliability, and a suite of modern amenities makes it a standout choice for those seeking a dependable and economical vehicle. Number 3. 2025 Hyundai Elantra. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra continues to impress with its striking design, advanced technology, and value-oriented pricing. Priced competitively, the Elantra offers a range of engine options, including a fuel-efficient base engine that delivers excellent mileage, making it ideal for daily commutes and long-distance travel. The interior is thoughtfully designed, featuring a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system that supports seamless smartphone integration. Safety is paramount, with a comprehensive suite of standard driver assistance features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The Elantra's blend of style, efficiency, and advanced features positions it as a top contender in the compact sedan market for those seeking reliability and affordability. Number 4. 2025 Kia Rio. The 2025 Kia Rio offers a compelling package for those seeking an affordable and reliable compact car. With a starting price that appeals to budget-conscious buyers, the Rio provides a comfortable ride with a well-designed interior that maximizes space and functionality. The vehicle is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine, making it an economical choice for both city and highway driving. Standard features include a user-friendly infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, ensuring drivers stay connected on the go. Safety features are comprehensive for its class, offering peace of mind for daily commutes. The Kia Rio's combination of affordability, efficiency, and modern amenities makes it a strong contender for those in search of a dependable compact car. Number 5. 2025 Mazda 3. The 2025 Mazda 3 distinguishes itself in the compact car segment with its upscale interior, engaging driving dynamics, and stylish design. Starting at a competitive price point, the Mazda 3 offers a choice of responsive engines that balance performance with fuel efficiency. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials, providing a premium feel that rivals more expensive vehicles. Drivers will appreciate the intuitive infotainment system, which includes seamless smartphone integration. Safety is a priority, with a suite of standard driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Mazda 3's combination of reliability, elegance, and spirited performance makes it an attractive option for those seeking more than just basic transportation. Number 6. 2025 Subaru Impreza. The 2025 Subaru Impreza stands out in the compact car market by offering standard all-wheel drive, a feature uncommon in its class. Priced accessibly, the Impreza provides reliable performance with a focus on safety and versatility. Its balanced handling and comfortable ride quality make it suitable for various driving conditions, including challenging weather scenarios. The interior is practical and spacious, equipped with an infotainment system that supports smartphone integration, ensuring drivers remain connected. Safety features are robust, with standard driver assistance technologies enhancing overall security. The Subaru Impreza's reputation for durability, combined with its all-weather capability and affordability, makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a dependable compact car. Number 7. 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid elevates the renowned Civic lineup by integrating a hybrid powertrain that delivers both performance and efficiency. This model features a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine, coupled with a 181 horsepower permanent magnet traction motor, resulting in a combined output of 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. Drivers can expect an impressive EPA-rated fuel economy of 48 miles per gallon combined, positioning the Civic Hybrid as a strong competitor to other hybrids in the market. Inside, the vehicle offers a premium experience with a 12-speaker Bose audio system and seamless smartphone integration through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Civic's engaging handling, comfortable interior, and advanced features make it a compelling choice for those seeking a balance of performance and practicality in a compact sedan.